Hi, we're here with Felicia Newman of Three Dog Farm in Lubec, Maine, and we're going to talk about Cobscook Blend garden soil. This is basically our all-purpose, but it's also different in that it's very acid, right?
It is.
What's in this product?
In particular, we have salmon and blueberry compost,
Okay.
like actual salmon racks and carcasses that get composted.
Okay.
Yeah, and blueberries and like carbon sources like we've talked about before with planer shavings or bark, and that's all composted together, and that's the primary component of that.
Okay. So I mentioned it was acid, so our Quaddy blend is very sweet. Mm-hmm. And why would you use something like this in the garden?
So acid-loving plants, and where we're on the farm, I grow a lot of edibles, and in particular fruit. So strawberries or blueberries like more acidic soil, and I use that product for them.
Oh, okay. It's also good for rhododendrons and azaleas, other acid-loving plants like
For
that.
those of you that grow flowers, yeah.
The foofy stuff.
Yeah, they're beautiful.
You can find this at a local independent retailer near you.